I'm Mary Ann Benetti, and I am busy cutting back these poppies. So poppies bloom early in the summer. It's now midsummer. Look at those great poppy seed heads. These are full of little black poppy seeds, and I can dry these and then use them like almost like little salt shakers and shake the seeds out all over. But right now, I am just cutting all the spent poppy leaves off the plants. You don't need to leave the messy leaves after the poppies bloom. The poppies are still going to come back next year. It's not like a tulip or a daffodil that you want to leave the bulb. So I'm making a pile of those spent poppy foliage. It'll go to the compost pile. While I'm down here, I'm going to just shorten up this ground cover here, this golden lamium ground cover, just to tidy up the bed, because this entire front bed, midsummer planting. Yep, here's what I found out. If you go to the nursery in midsummer, you can buy plants like these in the 4-inch pots, and the nurseries are putting them on sale because summer is ending, people are done buying plants. But this great looking heliotrope, oh my gosh, it smells lovely. I would say the fragrance of heliotrope is like cherry pie. Or this super drought resistant Weigelia Star Wonder. This is a great plant that takes the heat for the summer. Buy them in midsummer, because if that's what's left at your nursery. And then that I've cut back all these perennials, now I have space to go ahead and fertilize the soil, loosen it up, and just pop these plants in the ground. So I'm going to go ahead and I kind of space them out where I want them to grow. Shake a little bit of Osmocote. Plus, this is an all-purpose slow-release plant food. I've used it so much that I don't even measure it out anymore. I just know by eyeballing how much to use, and then I work that into the soil. Massage the pot so that the entire root ball pops right out. Break up those roots just a little bit, and plant it down at the same level that it was growing before. Okay, I'm just going to keep filling this bed with bargain plants, and you'll get to see it when I'm done. So here I am. I'm finished planting. I'm watering in these new plants, the Scaevola Blue Wonder and the purple heliotrope here. More of the Scaevola, and they look great, echoing the colors of the flowering alliums, the flowering onions. And so, midsummer, and I have a freshly planted bed to enjoy for the rest of the summer. And this is Mary Ann Benetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.